of the court. Thank you very much.
Next speaker, Dr. Vanda Prakash.
Thank you, Chairman Sir. Sir, on behalf of our party, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, we support the 127th Amendment intended to restore the powers of the state government to maintain their list of the OBC which was taken away by earlier amendment. Sir, earlier, as all the speakers said, even Parliamentary Standing Committee, even at the time of discussions of that amendment also, several political parties said the problem of amendment, it will take away the powers of the states. But that time, leader of the floor also, he has given assurance that will not be taken, but unfortunately it has happened. Now, we will appreciate the government of India for rectifying their mistakes and giving back the powers of the state government, sir. Sir, before we are going into the implementation, always there is a problem. If states has to maintain their list, but demand of the reservations are more in the states, in several states there is so many demands. In Maharashtra, Marathas, in Rajasthan, Gujars and other states, other communities are demanding for the more reservations. With the 50% cap on the reservations, we will not get particular reservations, sir. If you see the central government directions also, in particular recruitments, sir, sometimes when SC's population is increased, the BC's reservation is decreasing. That is only 50% we have to do. You kindly go through the DOP statement on the open competition civil services post. The reservations is implementing only 25 points some odd, not 27%, sir. 22. Sometimes it will go reduce. Because of the 50% cap, Telangana government given 34% reservations to the local bodies. We compelled to go down to 24%, sir. Always it is happening in the case of 50% cap. From 50% for which data? What data are available for the Supreme Court? With what basis they have gone for the only 50%? What is the scientific evaluation they got? Since 1931, there is census in India. Every time we are demanding. 2011, they have started. After that, it is not declared so far. We have demanded number of times for the census, backward class census in the country. In 2018, in the floor of the House, former Home Minister and present Defence Minister Sri Rajnath Singh assured the House census will be conducted in 2011 with OBC quota. Even August 31st, 2018, his ministry given a statement, roadmap will be decided that we will go for the OBC data collection in the census. But as on today, nothing has been done, sir. We once again request the Government of India, please take care of implementing the OBC census. Sir, without any data, how they are formulating any programs? Even implementation of the reservations also, I wanted to bring it to the kind notice of the House. Number of times reservations implementation is violated in higher education institutions like IITs, IIMs, central universities. Even admissions into PhD also, that is violating their admissions also, sir. Even last time we had a review on the financial institutions. In the big banks like State Bank of India, Pride of India, the reservation percentage is only 19%. Even the organization which has to regulate the banks, RBI, their reservations are also very less, sir. I request the kindly see that reservation should be implemented in a proper way. Sir, another one, even we are demanding, this is only for equality's sake, we are implementing the reservation. Even we want political reservation also in the legislature. Our Telangana government under leadership of our Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, we made a resolution for reservation in the legislature for 33% for the backward classes, sir. We have sent, just it is almost 8 years back. Sent to Delhi. Now we have to search for that, where it is, where is the process, where it is going. Are you bringing it to the parliament? What is your commitment on the backward class reservations in the parliament? How many parliament members are there in Lok Sabha? How many backward class members are there in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha? Kindly examine all these cases, sir. You should go for the reservations in the political legislature also, legislature and parliament. Another request is, sir, judiciary giving so many judgments against the backward classes. When it is coming the backward classes, they will think of the cap. When it is EWS, why they are not thinking of the cap? Central government itself violated the 50%, given 10% to the EWS reservations. Why Supreme Court is silent? When it is, if they are increased 10%, now it is 60%. Why they are silent? When the case of backward classes, they will think of creamy layer, they will think of cap of the 50%. Why not in other issues? कहाँ से ऐसा ये क्रीमी लेयर कहाँ से इंटेंड हुआ? Who is invented this creamy layer? क्रीमी लेयर का बात हमारा बैकवर्ड क्लासेस को मालूम ही नहीं. वो क्रीम क्या है, लेयर क्या है, हम खाते ही नहीं, देखते ही नहीं. सब ये क्रीमी लेयर who is invented? Whether it is placed in the constitution, where it is placed, who is asked for the creamy layer? कहाँ से आए क्रीमी लेयर? ये क्रीमी लेयर लाते हैं, आप क्रीमी लेयर लगाते हैं. आप उतना आपको वीकर सेक्शन के ऊपर है तो आप जनरल कैटेगरी में भी क्रीमी लेयर लाइए. आप जनरल कैटेगरी में भी क्रीमी लेयर लाइए. सर प्लीज बैकवर्ड क्लास के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम. वी बिलोंग टू बैकवर्ड क्लास. वी वांटेड टू express our views, sir. Kindly
time given to us.
6 minutes.
Sir, 4 hours. No, we have to
You
get
already
8 minutes.
consumed 6 minutes.
The 4 hours you get 8 minutes. Sir.
8 minutes, sir, not 4 minutes, sir. Sir, since आप हमारा भाई लोग बोल रहे मोदी साहब के एक गवर्नेंस में बैकवर्ड क्लास का ज्यादा फायदा होता. साहब वो सब लोगों से हमारा रिक्वेस्ट है, एटलीस्ट यू ब्रिंग ए मिनिस्ट्री फॉर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस. क्या है, सब लोगों को मिनिस्ट्री रहता, माइनॉरिटी मिनिस्ट्री रहता, एसटी को मिनिस्ट्री रहता, वुमेन को मिनिस्ट्री रहता. बैकवर्ड क्लासेस को क्यों यू आर नेग्लेक्टिंग द बैकवर्ड क्लासेस? काइंडली ब्रिंग द मिनिस्ट्री फॉर द बैक ओबीसी. दिस इज अवर डिमांड, सर. वी रिक्वेस्ट यू.
Thank you, Dr. Saab.
Sir.
Thank you. Please conclude.
Sir, conclude. One point. Sir, I request you to...
Please.
He's concluding.
Concluding,
Next
sir.
speaker.
Concluding, sir. Sir, my request is to kindly bring policies or implementation, whatever your government is doing, kindly openly come out with the policy for the backward OBCs, which constitute 60 crores of the population of Indian population. Without development,
Thank you, Dr.
backward classes, there is no
Thank
development
you.
of the country.
Next speaker, A. Navneet Krishnan ji.
Thank you, sir.